Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about XRP price prediction and XRP news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for XRP in 2022. Now in a nutshell I will talk about XRP. The first step is to distinguish between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a digital currency powered by the RippleNet digital payment platform, which in turn is built on top of the XRP Ledger distributed ledger database. RippleNet is a private project and is managed by Ripple. The XRP ledger is open source and is based not on the blockchain, but on the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The idea of the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fugger, but the full development of Ripple did not begin until after Jed McCaleb and Chris Larsen led the project in 2012. At that time it was still called OpenCoin. The RippleNet ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions approximately every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validating nodes reach a consensus on the order and validity of XRP transactions. This is different from the proof-of-work mining process of Bitcoin, BTC. Absolutely each of you can become a Ripple validator. The XRP coin can be stored in several standard ways. The first way is when stored on the exchange, and the second way is to store XRP in a crypto wallet. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about XRP. SEC vs Ripple saga continues, motions denied for both. Judge Torres denies SEC motion. The lawsuit filed by SEC against Ripple accuses the crypto company of trading the XRP token as an unlicensed security asset. Ripple has vehemently denied the claims and has been trying to prove in court that the XRP token is not a securities asset and is thus outside the SEC's jurisdiction. One of the arguments presented in court by Ripple was it was not given fair notice that the financial regulator would consider XRP as a security. This proves that the company was not granted due process, and the team wanted to use the defense in court to win the case. However, in April, the SEC filed a motion to dismiss Ripple's fair notice defense. On Friday, one of the rulings issued by Judge Torres denied SEC's motion, thus affirming the viability of Ripple's defense in court to fight the case. Ripple CEO's motion also denied. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has openly rejoiced in the ruling, hailing it as a huge win for Ripple on Twitter. However, the case has yet to move on from the pleading stage and could possibly go in either direction. Furthermore, Garlinghouse did not take into consideration that the judge had also dismissed a motion filed by the Ripple leaders. Both Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Chris Larsen had filed a motion in April to dismiss the case against them for aiding and abetting the alleged unregistered securities sale. According to the duo, this motion would allow the case to be dismissed. However, the judge denied the motion and ruled that SEC did not have to prove that the individual defendants knowingly violated securities laws. Since this ruling, Team Ripple has moved to strike a report that dismissed 30,000 BTC outflow, the report said. In banning cryptocurrencies, China often cited fraud and money laundering concerns, as well as environmental concerns as its major reasons. It continues to clamp down on the sector to smoke out defaulters. However, with such massive outflows of funds, the Chinese economy will likely feel the effect of capital flight. The next news, Ripple CEO dismisses XRP Swift uncertainty while filing response to SEC's opposition. Ripple XRP has lately been in the headlines as a result of its continuing dispute with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The former has just filed an opposition to the DPP ruling, arguing that the SEC is merely seeking a do-over. Meanwhile, the West has escalated its targeted sanctions against Russia, intending to prevent Russian banks from accessing the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, SWIFT, the communications network that underpins global financial transactions. The latest round of sanctions, announced by the United States, EU, UK, and Canada, against Russia, meant that the nation would be expelled from SWIFT, which will paralyze the assets of Russia's central bank. With many expecting more Russians to turn to crypto in the aftermath of the ruble Bitcoin, RUB BTC, volume hitting a 9-month high, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse discussed the reality of XRP, crypto, and blockchain's involvement in evading international sanctions. Ripple CEO files response to the SEC's opposition elsewhere. In the latest update, defense attorney James K. Phelan informed XRP community members via Twitter on February 28 that Ripple's CEO had also filed a response to the SEC's opposition for the disclosure of notes between the SEC Commissioner Roisman and the Ripple CEO himself. Notably, this is not the first opposition filed by the firm. The defense attorney stated on February 25 that the SEC wants to force the company to give over notes made by Matthew Estabrook, counsel to former SEC Commissioner Elliot Roisman. However, Phelan observes that the SEC is merely seeking a do-over. Ripple's top lawyer slammed SEC for offensive use of memos. According to the General Counsel, GC, at Ripple, Stuart Alderodi, the 2012 Perkins Coie memorandum to the company's founders demonstrates the company's good faith in attempting to issue digital tokens, in the absence of clear guidelines on how existing governmental legislation would apply to cryptocurrencies. With the release of the initial filing from February 2012 and the second memo, there was a compelling argument that the planned tokens would not be subject to federal securities laws. The company was outlining how it obtained its guidance, and it had won one battle in the court of public opinion by doing so. Ripple Labs Incorporated sought assistance not just on securities regulations, but also on a wide range of banking, anti-money laundering, and tax laws, as well as other matters. Ultimately, Ripple's general counsel believes that the SEC should have looked into the Perkins Coie memos and utilized Ripple as an example of proactive compliance, rather than reacting to the situation. Ripple is still going through difficult times. Until the litigation with the SEC is completed, the coin rate will jump. Let's take a look at what leading cryptocurrency experts have to say about Ripple's value in 2022 and 2023. Today we will analyze forecasts from leading cryptocurrency experts such as Trading Beasts, Wallet Investor, CryptoGround, Changelly. Long forecast. The forecasts from Trading Beasts analysts are as follows regarding the XRP rate for 2022 are positive. Starting the year at $1.58, the average predicted coin price will rise to $1.62 by December. A sharp increase is not expected, but a steady uptrend is always a positive factor for investors. The next forecast from Wallet Investor regarding the price of Ripple is also encouraging. Experts predict that the price of the coin will be above $1.70 for most of the year. By the end of the year, the XRP rate will cross the $2 mark. The maximum price will not exceed $2.50. At the same time, CryptoGround analysts expect Ripple to rise. Experts predict a bullish trend for 2022. However, there will also be a significant decline. By June, the price will be around $1.28. By the end of 2022, Ripple will reach $1.85. According to the Changelly platform, the Ripple price has strengthened thanks to the support of several large investors, and a number of partnership agreements and various events with crypto companies indicate that many believe in XRP. Recent XRP price predictions and price dynamics could improve significantly towards the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as BTC and ETH. Ripple may even break its previous record of $3.84. Well, the last forecast from Long Forecast, they provided the so-called bullish forecast for Ripple for 2022. Price volatility will be high. The price of the coin will change in the range of $1.53–1.87. Moving on, you can see that although the price of XRP will not reach new highs, the cryptocurrency will not disappear. What awaits Ripple in 2023? In 2023, Trading Beasts analysts expect the price of XRP to decline. Over the course of the year, the average XRP United States dollar exchange rate will drop from $1.62 to $1.58. The maximum price will be slightly above the $2 mark until October. The minimum exchange rate will not fall below $1.34. Wallet Investor is pretty positive about the future of XRP. The average price will be above $2 throughout the year. XRP United States dollar will start the year at $2.23. By the last day of 2023, the price will reach $2.8. The XRP forecast from CryptoGround is still optimistic.